Since the time of the ancient Greeks and Romans, bay leaves have been considered a valuable, medicinal herb. Nowadays, we mainly use them to spice up our home cooking, but centuries ago these leaves served a much different purpose. As we typically burn sticks or cones of incense now, bay leaves were once burned in homes and places of worship. Some reasons were religious, some even fantastical, but others were based on the scientific fact that bay leaves contain a hodgepodge of chemicals beneficial to the body. In this video we talk about some benefits of bay leaves and how it can help you. Before we start, make sure like and subscribe Alpha Health channel for future contents. Bay leaves cope with diabetes. For this benefit, experts suggest consuming 1 to 3 grams of bay leaves a day to see the best results, as proven in a study published in the U.S. National Library of Medicine. Consuming this amount of bay leaves for 30 left the subject's insulin levels decidedly more regular than before the study, leading researchers to believe that the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can help relieve some symptoms of type 2 diabetes. Boost immune system. Eugenol also has antioxidant properties, and bay leaves themselves are packed full of other vitamins and minerals necessary for a high-functioning body. Because of this, burning and ingesting bay leaves has the capacity to boost your immune system. Try burning some leaves or adding some as seasoning to dinner the next time you can't shake a cold. Removes dandruff. Wash your hair with your regular shampoo. Then, mix bay leaves in cold water and rinse through. Alternatively, you can also get bay leaf essential oil. Take about 15 drops and mix it with your shampoo and massage through the scalp. Rinse well and say goodbye to dandruff. Reduces anxiety. Bay leaves contain linalool, a compound known to treat anxiety. Smelling bay leaves for just about 10 minutes can instantly help you feel better. This compound is also known to enhance communication. Source of minerals and vitamins. The spice contains many important plant-derived chemical compounds, minerals, and vitamins that are essential for optimum health. The spice is indeed an excellent source of many vitamins such as niacin, pyridoxine, pantothenic acid, and riboflavin. Treat respiratory conditions. When the essential oil of bay leaves is extracted, it can be mixed into a salve and applied to the chest to help alleviate various respiratory conditions. This can also be achieved with a poultice made of the leaves. Spread it on the chest and allow it to remain overnight. Inhaling the vapor has a similar effect to aromatherapy and can loosen up phlegm and eliminate dangerous bacteria that may be trapped in your respiratory tracts, thanks to its natural antibacterial quality. Improve digestion. Bay leaves have a very strong effect on the gastrointestinal system, both stimulating urination as a diuretic, which decreases the toxicity of the body, and stimulates vomiting when something toxic has been consumed. Furthermore, the organic compounds found in bay leaves are very effective for settling upset stomachs, soothing irritable bowel syndrome, or even lessening the symptoms of celiac disease. Some of the more complex proteins in our modern diet can be difficult to digest, but the unique enzymes found in bay leaves help facilitate efficient digestion and nutrient intake. As mentioned earlier, bay leaf is a commonly used term that applies to many different plants around the world. However, to achieve all of the health benefits in the video, it is essential that you find a true bay leaf, derived from the laurel tree. Other varieties can actually be toxic when consumed, so be certain that you're getting the real thing. In terms of allergies, bay leaves aren't widely known as an allergenic substance, but contact dermatitis and eczema breakouts have been sporadically reported. If you're allergic to other members of the Lauraceae family, you will likely be allergic to bay leaves as well. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure like and subscribe for future contents.